Dear students, today we are going to discuss poem number 1, Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. The Dust of Snow by Robert Frost is a small and simple poem with a deep meaning. It expresses the significance of small things in changing one's attitude. The poem explains that the little things in life can make huge changes in our future. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. So let us go for the explanation part of this poem. The poet Robert Frost recounts a small incident that changes his mood. It seems very simple, but it has a great significance. The poet was once very depressed and hopeless. He was in a state of sorrow and was lost in his thoughts. He was standing under the hemlock tree. So, hemlock tree is a poisonous plant or a tree with small white flowers. Suddenly, a crow that was sitting on the tree shook the tree, and the fine particles of snow from the tree fell on the poet. Now, when the soft and cold snow fell on the poet, it changed his mood from the state of sadness to happiness. He started feeling soothed, peaceful, and refreshed. This simple incident helped him enjoy the remaining part of the day. He thus became happy as it saved his rest of the day from being wasted and held in regret. So, now let us discuss the literary elements in this poem and the various poetic devices used in the poem. First of all, the poem is filled with symbolism. Here, two symbols have been used. First is hemlock tree and crow. A hemlock tree is a poisonous plant with small white flowers. The poet didn't choose to use oak, maple, or pine tree. Instead, he chose the hemlock tree and left all the beautiful trees present in the world. Actually, he did so to present his mood and feelings. The crow and hemlock tree represent sorrow and depression felt by the poet in this materialistic world. And the dust of snow is also a symbol of natural joy and energy. Also, the rhyme scheme used in this poem is A B A B, and there is also irony in this poem. Irony here means a contrast between reality and expectation, between what is said and what is meant, between what appears to be true and the real truth. So I hope this poem is clear to you. Thank you so much and have a nice day.